Now we're going to do pull-ups, one of the most universal exercises for back. This variation of back basically work more on the lats, the bigger muscles on the outside of your back, inserts into the lower side of your back, and also works a little bit more of your upper back as well. So I'm going to show you the common mistakes that I see that guys use in the gym. So what they do, sometimes they go way too wide, way too close. So the goal here is to keep your hands out this way, reaching forward, get your grip, and some of them will come down and just kick their legs this way and pull in with their arms and just push in. In this position, I'm just using my arms. I can't really feel my back at all. So the one thing you want to do is get the proper grip right there straight up. And before you even go down, you want to bring your rib cage up to angle, tilt your angle of your back a little bit. So you don't want to be vertical, because when you're vertical, you're going to use your arms more than using your back. So the goal is to use the back first. So when you come down, hanging on the side, on the bottom, you want to bring your rib cage up, tilting backward a little bit, and then you want to go up really slow, squeeze at the top. Make sure you're only using your back and get your lower body out of it completely. So chest high, squeeze at the top, down really slow, only using your back. Pulling on the lats, straight up, squeeze, come down slow, breathe in. Everything is happening in my back right now. Chest high, squeeze at the top, come down. So the key point is always to lean back a little bit to bring your chest up, open up your rib cage, because the muscle we're trying to train is back here, not right here. So when you bring your chest up like that, it would allow you to pull with your back first and not your arms first. And make sure you use that mind and body connection as well, because you can't see your back. So make sure you feel that contraction from the lat, going to the top and squeeze, and come down really slow without letting go.